All right, now I'm on the bottom of page 521. Let's continue on. Okay, for 4 and 5, they just want us to find the median, the lower quartile, and the upper quartile. We don't need to graph it. So the first thing I need to do is put all these numbers in order from least to greatest. So it looks like 13 is the least number, and then the next smallest looks like 20. And then the next smallest is 24, and there are two 24s. And then the next smallest, it looks like 25. The next smallest is 37, then 43, then 49, and then 56. Okay, first let's start by finding the number in the middle. Okay, so it's 25 and 37 are in the middle, right? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side, 1, 2, 3, no, just 25, sorry, just 25. So that's nice and easy, good. 25 is the median then. Now the lower quartile, it's got two numbers in the middle, 22, or 20 and 24, and if you add those together, you get 44, and divide that by 2, you get 22. And for the upper quartile, the upper part of the data, the upper half of the data, you add these two together, you get, what, 80, 92. Divide that in half, and you get 46. So we have 25, 22, and 46. All right, you're going to do the same process to find the median, lower quartile, and upper quartile for number 5. So first, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. The median is the number in the middle. Looks like we found 25 was in the middle here. The lower quartile is the median of the numbers to the left of the median. So all the numbers to the left of the median. The upper quartile is the middle number or middle value. If there's two numbers in the middle, remember you add them together and divide by 2. But the upper quartile is the middle of all the data to the right of the median. Okay, so good luck on number 5. But again, if you need additional help, you can rewind, look back at number 4, how I did that. If you need a reminder on the steps, or you can of course raise your hand as well. The chart shows okay, moving on to 6. The chart shows the height of trees in a park. Display the data in a box plot. Okay, so we need to do all that same information. So we need to find the, we need to put these in order from least to greatest, first of all. So it looks like 8 is the smallest, and there's 2 8s. Okay, the next smallest looks like 10. The next smallest, it looks like it's 12. And then after 12 looks like 18, and there's 2 18s. And then 20. And then 25. And 26. Then 28. And 29. And lastly, this 30. Okay, so let's find the median first. Cross off on each end until I get to the middle. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. So 5 over here, 5 over here. So yeah, there's 2 in the middle. So 18 plus 20 is 38 divided by 2. That means the median is 19. Okay. So first, let's start, and we can start putting in some of these numbers. The least value is 8, so I'm going to put a dot at the least value. This would be 10, 9, 8. The greatest value is 30, so I'm going to put a dot at 30. The median is 19, so I'm going to put a dot. Here's 20. I'm going to put a dot at 19. Okay. Now, the lower quartile is the lower half of the data, including this 18. If there's two numbers in the middle, you include the number to the left of the middle. And then this is the upper half of the data. So you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers over here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers over here. So the middle of this data is going to be the average of 10 and 12. That would be 22 divided by 2 is 11. So I'm going to put a dot at 11. Here's 10. This is going to be 11. And for the upper data, it's going to be 26 plus 28 is 54. Divided by 2 is 27. So the upper quartile is 27. Here's 25, 26, 27. Okay, it always, box plot has the whiskers at the end. Box for this data. And then the line through the middle. So that's it. I'm going to erase. You, of course, never need to. All right, Eric made this box plot for the data set below. Explain his error. So you're going to want to put these numbers. You're going to do number 7 just like you did number 6. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. And then make sure you include all the dots. So he obviously, what error did he make? Well, he definitely forgot to include the least and greatest value. But then you want to double check. Is his lower quartile in the correct spot? Is the median correct? Is his upper quartile correct? So you want to check all those things. And again, if you need additional help, please raise your hand. Or you can rewind again and see, double check the steps. You're doing the exact same steps that we did in number 6. You're doing those same steps for number 7, and then just checking the data that you get compared to what Eric got.